All right, this is 2017 Toyota Sienna. I'm going to show you how to put the seats down so you can have more cargo space. All right, so remember, don't forget to give me a like. Remember to read your owner's manual and follow your owner's manual to the T, and don't listen to my instructions because this is just entertainment. Okay, all right, thanks a lot. All right, so I'm going to go in, okay, and I am going right here to pull this right here, and it automatically pulls down the headrest on here, and I'm just going to pull back. Be careful because this is not something you want to be doing if you don't read the owner's manual and follow to the T. So pull it and it folds in, and I'm going to let it go down just like that, and I'm going to do this side as well too. All right, and push it down, and the seats are laid down completely flat. Okay, but then there are more seats in here. Okay, once this is flat, I'm going to do